Good morning, students. I, Mitashi Arora, your general knowledge teacher, welcome you to the E class of St. Joseph's Academy. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, in this video, we will study about the various dance forms of India. Chapter 17, page number 21. Children, you already know what is dance. And you also know that we can dance alone, we can dance with a partner, and we can dance in a group. Dancing helps us in expressing our feelings and get active. It makes us feel happy and relaxed. Children, what do you do when you listen to your favorite music? Yes, exactly. You start tapping your feet. Children, dance unites us and helps us come together to celebrate joy. It bursts the stress. Therefore, we all must dance without worrying if we are doing it right or not. India is blessed with many dance forms. In this video, we will study about 6 dance forms of our country. Children, the first form of dance is Bhangra. The spelling is BHANGRA. I repeat, children, BHANGRA. Bhangra. Children, Bhangra is the traditional dance of Punjab, and this dance is generally performed during the Vaisakhi festival. This dance form has a very energetic and lively tone. The costumes worn by the male and female dancers are a reflection of joyous celebrations. Children, Bhangra is danced to the rhythm of a drum which is known as dhol. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, the next dance form is Kathak. The spelling is Kathak. I repeat, children, Kathak. Kathak. Kathak came from the word Katha, which means story in Hindi. Kathak originated within Hindu temples as a storytelling device. However, these stories did not stay within the temple walls for so long. Soon, people began carrying the dances throughout the country. They added emotions and facial expressions to their performances. Children, This dance form is performed by both male and female dancers. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, the next form of dance is Bihu. The spelling is Bihu. I repeat, children, Bihu. Bihu. Children, this form of dance is related to the Bihu festival, and it is a classical form of dance of Assam. Children, this dance form is generally performed in a group, and the Bihu dancers are young men and women. Children, the dancing style is characterized by quick steps and rapid hand movements, and the traditional costume of dancers is colorful and centered around the red color theme, which signifies joy. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, the next type of dance is Manipuri. The spelling is Manipuri. I repeat, children, Manipuri. Children, it is one of the major Indian classical dance forms which has a origin from the state of Manipur. This form of dance is also known as Ras Leela. Children, do you know why this form of dance is also known as Ras Leela? Okay. So, this dance form is known as Ras Leela because it shows beautiful performances of love-inspired drama of Radha and Krishna. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, The next form of dance is Odisai. The spelling is ODI double SI. I repeat, children, ODI double SI. Children, this classical Indian dance style is the traditional dance of Odisha. It is a dance form that is not only popular in India, but it is also appreciated all over the world. Children, this dance form is a perfect example of great body movements, expressions, and gestures. The dancers wear beautiful bright costumes when they perform, which are generally purple, orange, blue, green, and red in color. Children, this particular dance form is now recognized all over the world, and this dance form has entered into Guinness Book of World Records in 2012. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, the next form of dance is Mohini Attam. The spelling is MOHINIYATTAM. I repeat, children, MOHINIYATTAM. Mohini Attam. Children, it is an Indian classical dance form that was developed and remained popular in the state of Kerala. And this dance form has gone through a long process of evolution. Children, this dance form traces its origin to the temples of Kerala, which means initially this dance form was performed in the temple of Kerala. Traditionally, the dance form was performed solo, but in the 21st century, it may also be performed in groups. Children, let's have a look at the dance form. Children, in this video we have learnt about the 6 dance forms of India. Dance brings us happiness and helps us relax and take a break from the monotony of our lives. Many foreigners are also attracted towards the classical form of dance and they are trying to learn them. In this way, classical dance forms are playing their part in glorifying the culture of our country. Dance is a powerful reflection of the cultural changes that are taking place in our world. Children, I will see you in another video. Bye bye. Take care.